We now understand how to leverage points to help us experience travel that is more luxurious than we could have ever imagined. Hi, my name is Micah. Before joining JGOOT, travel truly was stressful. We always felt like we were spending more than we should, but we didn't understand how to travel in a way that fit our lifestyle and allowed us to do the things that we wanted to do but fit in budget. But since joining JGOOT and learning from all of the incredible strategies in the book and through the vault and through the team, we now understand how to leverage points to help us experience travel that is more luxurious than we could have ever imagined. We took a trip to Austria and paid for our flights there and back and hotels there, all on points, and barely spent a dime, only had to pay taxes. It was incredible. We saved over $4,000 on this trip just through the strategies with JGOOT. I would honestly recommend JGOOT to anyone, but with a caveat. I think anyone can do this, but you have to have the willingness to forget or let go of some of the preconceived notions that we have about how award travel works or about which credit cards to use. One of the best things about JGOOT is they don't expect you to get a new credit card every couple of months. They're not chasing subscription bonuses. They're teaching you how to earn points and how to use them in a way that's going to help you experience luxurious travel, to travel more often, and to truly enjoy travel again.